video around my grandma's house. It's so blurry. There goes it focused. Alright. So we already got, I forgot to show you the bouncy, hilarious nail driver for so many years ago. I remember when my very old YouTube video, me and Ty's made a video of this. So bouncy. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep this. The light driver, I also might take too. Just take the high school because it's cursed. Alright. I hadn't been out here in forever, guys. Time around 2:06, 79% battery. I'm just reliving my childhood all over again. From when me and Tyus made videos. There's my grandma's house video, the back of it. The classic days. That shed would probably... The shed actually is still pretty good, it's just... some shingles are missing off of it. This is my grandma's house, you can see right here. It's so blurry sounding. Yeah, and I remember every time I used to do this flicky flick. That's old. What is that sound? That's plastic. What does this thing do? This thing's heavy. It's weird. I love image stabilization things. It's so funny. Image stabilization. Giant thing was here. What is that? I don't understand. And what is this? This PVC pipe. Me and Ty's never know what the heck this thing is. That, like, where this pipe does, it doesn't go anywhere. It just goes straight up there. It goes literally nowhere. I'm gonna pause you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pause you guys. Oh, wait, no. A little. It smells in here. It smells like Grandma's House Classic Edition. Old sticker. Stop the video now.